Right, hi everyone, welcome again to another Harson AI demo of what is capable using AI. So for one of our clients, we built this quite complex web application with mobile capability. It includes quote management, inventory management system, production run using job cards and oversight, as well as warehouse management. So I'll just walk you through a few of the key features. We can create a quote. The ability to add new customers, add new products for that customer. With the products, you can create the product. Let's say that's like it says in the demo there, premium shampoo. That shampoo would be made up of, some shampoo product shipped to us in bulk, bottles, lids, labels, etc. We're just going to use a demo product for the moment just to keep things quick. So we'll just choose this red apple juice. Let's go with 10,000 bottles. Don't worry about the cost right now, that hasn't been updated with realistic product figures right now for this demo. You can create that quote. If I send this quote, which I will, it goes off to the email in the customers file. When they write back and say we accept, we mark it as accepted. What that's doing now is actually checking the inventory management system to see if there's enough inventory on hand to complete the job. If not, it's issuing a purchase order that we can send. So let's just refresh this purchase order. If there's not enough product on hand to complete it, then we can send out these purchase orders to ask for more materials. There it has 3 different suppliers, because 3 different products or 3 different materials made up that one product. As you can see, red apple juice, we need that. Let's send that. Purchase order sent. Some glass bottles, send that to the supplier. It's marked $0 because effectively a lot of the times the clients in this situation send us the products, and then the rest is of the costing is labor and the actual packaging procedure in this instance. You can change it to suit your business. Now what's happening once we send those purchase orders, they get an email with the purchase order, where then it will update the system with the awaiting receipt of items. That way you can check them in to your inventory. So red apple juice, if we were to look at the inventory management system, we have only 500 litres of that on the stock. That's not enough, as they're expecting 10,000. You can log 10,000 litres as it comes in to the zone in the warehouse with an expiry date as required. You'll see red apple juice is now gone off the awaiting receipts because we got the full amount. If we now do a quick refresh in the inventory, we should have 10,500 litres on hand. We do. So the updated inventory has been completed. The job card, if we have a look at the red apple juice job card, we are still waiting on bottle caps and premium glass bottles. Once we have that, the job card can be started. So let's do that now. One other thing which is great while we're here, if they only delivered 5,000 bottles out of 9,450, it would go into a partially received and stay awaiting receipt. Gone to a partial fill. Let's go and get the rest of them. Bottle caps. You might be asking, why is that only asking for 9,900 when their order was for 10,000? That's because there would have already been 100 bottle caps in stock from the same supplier. So it's not asking, it didn't ask for a purchase order for more than's needed. It's asked it to match what's required to what's available, basically. Once the inventory has been all updated, the job card, just do a quick refresh to make sure that pushes that data through. You can open the job card now, check where it's at. Not going to start the timer because the production rate per hour will be outrageous. Effectively, it'll be everything completed as I walk through this process within a minute. So we'll just go through the job card process. Now that you can see everything's ready, we can do the material check-in, move to step 2, which is picking. The warehouse and inventory management system will be updated there. Complete that, move to the production run. Obviously this will be fully customizable in the full release of this app, and as everyone's production run and setup would be different depending on their application. Just while we're in the middle of the setup and production run, just a quick look at the timeline. You can see you have a bit more visibility from the management perspective of where jobs are at, and you can go back to view the job card details. Once you tell it how many units produced against the production timer, you would get a production rate. We didn't do that this time. Let's just say that we got our 10,000. Also have the capability, which is important in inventory managed, to mark any damaged bottles, etc., any extra used, and that way you update your inventory management system by this button. Complete the production run. Let's move that to the warehouse where it would be awaiting the client pickup. In this instance, customer pickup, ready for pickup, markers ready. That would send the notification to the client that their 10,000 bottles of apple juice is ready. And if you go to awaiting pickup, you'll see that here in red apple juice. So that gives you a bit of an idea of what this app is capable of. This app was completely built using the assistance of AI. There's big plans to implement AI into the app, and that'll be able to help us understand the efficiency, where the users of this app could improve efficiency, and keep an eye on the analytics. Thanks for watching, and if you need anything, make sure to check out Harson.ai.